Hi, this is Sue. It is January 15th, 2015, and as promised, I was going to make a little screen capture video about how to embed videos into your Blackboard class and move them around. So first of all, what you want to do is go down to the Blackboard nursing department, which is right here. And then we want to select multimedia, which is right here. And I'm going to show you a couple different things. Most of what we're looking at are the concept media and medcom videos. So open up that file. There's the embed codes in there, the URLs if you want to get with that, or I can show you the other ways of doing it. Now, if you look below here, some of these are not loading. Come on. I think it's slow because of this screencaster. Anyways, if you wanted to embed this particular video that is here, right here it is. Okay, so say this is a tracheostomy one. This is one of the concept media ones. This is not medcom, this is concept media. This is already embedded in Blackboard, so all what you can do is copy it into your own Blackboard. So you make sure you select copy and not move, because if you move it, it removes it from this site and puts it wherever you put it. So you want to copy, and then what will open up is where do you want it to go to, what destination course. So I'm going to go put it in an old course of mine that I don't use anymore. Let's say fall, this last fall. And what folder do I want it in? This will open up. And this is a respiratory, so I think I should put in a respiratory and I actually have respiratory video folder, so I'm going to put it in there. And hit submit, and then it will just go right into there. And goes back to here. So now if you wanted to, I made a copy of, here is the original video that I made last February, I believe. So it talks about moving things again, so I just wanted to go over that one. But if we wanted to put a list from the Medcom site into your video, into your website, you need to go to medcomrn.com/Miracosta. And let's see, you need user ID. I have one already. I think maybe all the full-time faculty have one, but it's S. Simpson, which is my initials, obviously. And then the admin is the password. Joan told us that she just sent the students here to sign in and make their own accounts. I guess you could send that in there if you wanted to as well. So now all the videos that are open to us open up like this, and they're links. So what I like to do is find something. So I go out, I hit Control F, and I want to put in, let's see, I want to talk about culture. So cultural. Is there anything cultural? Here's all the cultural awareness for medical assistance, awareness in healthcare, understanding the need, your practice. Let's try that one. So you click on it, and what's cool is this opens up here, and after I was experimenting with this, I think this is a kind of a cool way, is just to link it to them to this page, because they can choose here what type of player they're going to use. And so, if they flash or QuickTime, so that's kind of specific, because if you embed it, you have to choose a player, and then they can also jump to scenes, like here's an Eastern European, and they just see that one video. So or they can see the whole thing. So I kind of liked this. So they just, I want to see it in flash, so I click on this and it works. Slowly, but it works. Come on. Patiently waiting. Here it goes. And then you can just instruct them to right click and they toggle to full screen and they can watch it that way. Okay, so I'm going to right click and toggle to little screen, and then what I want to show you is how to get this into Blackboard though. So we go back to our address up here. Highlight it, right click and press copy, and I want to stick this in, let's see, a different, not necessarily this course, but one of my courses. I'll just go stick it in next to that respiratory video so you can see that I got it in there. That was in the fall, I put that one in. So I'm going to go where I want to put this, because I'm just putting a link out there so that they can select the video and what segment and everything. Let's see, that's under, how did I set this one up? Weekly content, and it was respiratory. There, it's in there. And I said I was going to put it under respiratory videos, which is down near the bottom. Here it is. Okay. So if I have assigned them, I tell them to go here, or this is just extra for them to do. So this is all the respiratory videos, and at the very bottom should be the one that I just embedded, which is this one. Remember, you saw that. Okay, but now I'm going to put this link to this other video. So I'm going to build content, create item, and I can't remember what the name of this video is, so I'm going to go look back up here on my other one, and it was called Awareness in Healthcare, Your Practice. All right, okay, so I'm going to put, first of all, I'm going to go down in here and type that name, Awareness in Healthcare. And this is going to be a link, so I'm going to highlight that, press the link button, put in the link pathway. Come on, where's my paste option? There's paste. And then you want to make sure that you say this is opens in a new window, because it frustrates people if it doesn't, because sometimes it just gives you a link. Okay, so I'm going to say this cultural awareness video, for lack of better term. And then I press submit. And always when you create an item, it always falls to the bottom of the list on whatever page you're in. So it's going to be on the very bottom of the list right here. And I can, so here it is down here. It says Awareness in Healthcare. And I click on that. And it comes up to that same place where I started. The students get to that place, and then I hit flash, and there it is, or whichever player that they wanted to use. You could also, once you get the movie up like this, you can also embed this way by highlighting this if you don't want to send them through that. Let's see, where am I now? Okay, go back to Blackboard here, and now I want to make the movie part. Let's see, so I'm going to, let's do it right underneath that link. Edit. Oh, what's playing here? Okay, it's the video starting playing, sorry. So if I wanted to embed it, I could embed it by doing this video here, the video icon. And it was a flash that I went into, so it should work as a flash. So I put it there, and insert, and then I have this flash video that comes up here. And I hit submit. And then it should also be way down here underneath as well. And it doesn't show up in that's the problem with not between Firefox and Chrome or whatever. Sometimes whatever modality you use in Flash or Quick Camera, it's not going to be seen unless you haven't updated or the add-on. But those are some options about how you can move a video into your class, in your Blackboard class. So hopefully this helped. I know it was kind of a disjointed video recording, but not perfect. All right.